The tunicate is a fascinating and extraordinary creature found in the mysterious depths of the ocean, dwelling at depths ranging from 600 to 3,300 feet, with a striking appearance, resembling a cross between a Venus flytrap and a jellyfish. This marine organism is truly one of nature's most remarkable creations. What sets the predatory tunicate apart from most other tunicates is its diet and hunting strategy. While the majority of tunicates are filter feeders, passively filtering plankton and microscopic particles from seawater, the predatory tunicate has adopted a carnivorous lifestyle. It has evolved into an ambush predator waiting patiently for unsuspecting prey. When small creatures like crustaceans or tiny fish wander into its siphon-like mouth, it springs into action, snapping its trap shut with remarkable speed. The prey is then securely trapped, and the tunicate keeps its mouth closed until the meal is completely digested. Its unique feeding mechanism, akin to a deep-sea Venus flytrap, is a remarkable example of adaptation in the harsh and competitive environment of the ocean depths. Despite the scarcity of food in its habitat, the predatory tunicate thrives by using this efficient hunting strategy. Beyond its intriguing behavior, the predatory tunicate has captivated scientists for its The tunic, the outer layer of its body, contains a type of cellulose that is both unique and incredibly useful. Researchers have discovered that this cellulose can be utilized to align muscle tissue cells, offering promising applications in regenerative medicine. This breakthrough could pave the way for advancements in tissue engineering, aiding in muscle repair and potentially other medical treatments. The predatory tunicate exemplifies how even the most peculiar and remote creatures of the ocean can hold the keys to groundbreaking discoveries. Its role in both marine ecosystems and the medical field highlights the importance of studying and preserving such enigmatic species. With every new revelation, we uncover not only the wonders of the deep sea but also the hidden treasures it holds for humanity's future. Potential contributions to human health and medicine.